We're installing drop springs. Onto the RX-8. Drop springs. No idea what model, but I guess you could use that number there. Yeah. Do front and rear and change the shocks we got from our friend Ronald. Hopefully it rides a little better. The front was really high and the rear was really low. It kept bottoming me out. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna give you a how-to video too as soon as I'm done. Enjoy. So this is with one side done. It's a little lower, not too low. Should be good for now. I'm gonna do the rear after this. It's not even. I just dropped the car. It's not even settled yet. Should give me a little bit lower. These are the tools you're gonna need: a heavy hammer, 1/2-inch breaker bar, adjustable wrench, pry bar, 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, 3/8 10, 12, 14, 17 and a 19, 1/2-inch 17 and 19, a torque wrench, and an impact. Of course you want to start by removing the wheel. Make sure you use a jack stand. So first things first, on the RX-8 you're going to want to remove the sway bar, just for easier access to pull things out and lower the control arm so you could get that shock out. That's a size 17, I believe, both sides. And then if you move to the top, the strut bar is held in by 2 12s. Remove the 12s, and then underneath that it's going to be 14s. There is a certain way to take it out and put it back. Just be patient with it. You'll figure it out. I believe I move it towards the front, and then I put the top side towards the back, and then it slips out. The rear was a little more complicated than front. I had to remove the lower control arm, the left side, the lateral link. I believe that controls toe. And then I had to remove these two and those two and the bracket. The design on this is really stupid. It took forever for me to figure it out. Just make sure you tighten everything up and go on a test drive.